we're now recording. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Sarah Monzon, and let's get started. So, our topic for today is inheritance. So, I'll chosen it B because it's easier to explain. Also, the simplest topic to perform a code. So the first, here we define a parent class called person. The init method is the constructor, so we have this and this, so the parents class. So it runs automatically whenever we create a new object. It set up two attributes, so which is self name and self campus ID for each person. So the introduce method uh, prints the person's name and campus ID. All child classes will inherit these attributes in this method, so we don't need to write them again. So we have the introduce and do last. So first we create that def definition. So kailangan yun siya. So let's get started na. So for the introduce, din ato ning name campus ID. So the self name will be prompted together with the child classes. So to create a child classes, so we can just make ourselves manually like this. So if we create another child class, so it will be like this. So if we create another one, so if we run this, you can actually see one student, one teacher, and one staff. So our goal is to create another one. So what atong himon is another classmate ni Sarah. So let's create with any object variable name. So student, can just call it student 1 na lang para sa yun. Student 1 person, which is the parents class. So actual definition. So mag-add enta diri sa atong list, which is people, gipangatog people para mas dali. So mga pangatong list people. Sa atong gain na kay student 1, so let's follow na lang. So atong i-add na lang si Carl, then ang ID. So for the ID, is 24000. Makakarata diya. So wala rin mukha na din siya dahil Carl is enrolled in the class. So each child has unique name. So ano naging taog Sai, Dr. Cruz, Mr. Lee. Kaniya mga ID, which is kaning campus ID, mo nang ibutangan nato siya self ID campus para matawag each ID nila. So kani pagkaduha nga data. So mao na atong ipangan siya. So mao rin ani siya ka simple way. So kaning for the for loop dahil kalimot explain. So for the for loop, kung sari makita niya nga siya, mo na iyang makuan ma-display. So starting with katong introduce, katong name, person introduce like katong mga name niya, do task, which is kani para ma-perform ning definition. So kani each makuha mo execute siya each child, pero dili gid ingon nga magka tikit ka ato manggibutangan of an empty line spacing. So for example, kung ato ni Iran, so di ba itong Iran, dili siya nakadikit-dikit kaya nabutan tag empty spacing. So mao nang limpyo kay tanawon. So every looping ma-print na sila, pero nakabutang empty line spacing for better quality. So that's how inheritance works. So if you create another parent class, and mag-create na po kag child class, nga na nagyapon nimo. Either it can be whether of the school or mga object or mga things kana, or kung saan mo pambutang basta ingani inheritance. So don't forget this. So inheritance, it has a parents and parent class and a child class. So di na sila mawa. So that will be all for me to explain. Thank you. Also, kalimay ani ako lang ano ko iya. So kalimay ani is mga definition is siya. So pwede ra gid ni siya ma-edit kani. So ang pinaka-simple way akong nahimo. So that will be all. Thank you. In this program, the child classes, student, faculty, and staff, we use the attributes and method from the parent class called a person. So, specifically, they inherited the name in campus ID attributes, as we can see here, which stores the basic information about a person. In the introduce method, as we can see here, which prints this information. So, in Bisaya pa ni. So, kaning tulo ato ka siya class, isa gini sila kami to attributes kani. Dili na sila magkalay-lay kay kung kaning mga atong parent class, kung maglalay ni sila method kaning mga child class, dili na matawagan ng uban kung di katurang naa sa iyang attributes. So, kani siya. So, man iyang resulta. So these are the results. So having the if we use the attributes and methods, this will be the result. So if you create another parent class in child class, so kalay na po na ilang po ang method and attributes. Depende sa imong gihimo. So that will be all for me. Thank you.